Hey guys, I'm Deanna, an insurance agent from Texas. I'm here to help you find out about your coverage options, help you find out about your retirement planning. Whatever questions you have, follow me, DM me. Let's set up a time to chat, and I'm here to help you. All right, this is one thing I need you to keep in mind when you're thinking about how much coverage you're going to get to leave behind for your loved ones. Now, a lot of people, just like this lady that me and one of my new recruits were talking to earlier, she basically said, and this is what a lot of people say, I'm not trying to leave money behind. I'm not trying to make my family, my son, whoever, rich, which is fine. I just need them to bury me. I just don't want them to have that financial burden when I pass away or to have any bills to pay. And that's an awesome sentiment. And I know a lot of us do not want to leave that financial burden behind to our loved ones if something were to happen to us tomorrow. And here's the thing, though, that not a lot of people think about. When it comes to figuring out how much coverage do you need for that to be the case. Okay, I just need like $10,000. I want a $15,000 policy, and that's totally fine. However, that right there is going to cover maybe the cremation and or the burial, whatever the customer is wanting, right? But that's literally pretty much what it's going to cover. People aren't thinking about the fact that a lot of us, when we come to get to that time in our life where we're about to pass away or whatever, a lot of people get sick beforehand. A lot of people have to go to the doctor often. Unfortunately, a lot of people end up in the hospital for extended periods of time. All of those bills rack up, and our loved ones are going to be left with that responsibility. So no, $10,000, $15,000 is not going to be enough at the end of the day. Please keep that in mind. Make sure that you're really thinking about that possibility and that fact. And while we never know how much we're actually going to need, how we're actually going to go, we can definitely agree that most of the time, especially if we're in our older years, more than likely it's going to be because there's some kind of an illness involved, and we're more than likely going to be needing some health care involved as well. We're going to be needing some money to make sure that our loved ones take care of those bills so that they're not financially burdened with that. If you want help estimating what that may be, if you want some tips, some advice on this, guys, go ahead and follow me, DM me, let's start a chat about it, and let me help you get a good amount of coverage to leave behind to your loved ones so that when that time comes and you go away, you don't leave them with that burden behind.